Hello adventurers and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Eureka Springs and we're going to do a little taste test at the Dumb Dames Fudge shop. I'm so excited. I stop here literally every time I come to Eureka, and today I'm going to try out 2 different kinds of fudges. But before we do, let's go inside and check out all they have to offer. Okay, we picked up our little box of tasty treats and we're taking it to Basin Park for our taste test. Basin Park is pretty centrally located, so that's a perfect place to have some fudge. Okay, if you're looking to find the 2 Dumb Dames, it's in historic downtown at 33 South Main here in Eureka. You can contact them online, of course, if you want to make orders in advance. And this place is amazing. Before our taste test, we sanitize to wash off all the ick for the day. Okay, and now it's time. Mom, open that beautiful box.
That's right.
They're not trying to have our fudge go anywhere, are they?
We'll struggle here. There we go.
Struggle, you can do it. There it is. Ooh, look at that. Now, Mom, what kind did you get?
Peanut butter, of course.
Okay, peanut butter is Mom's thing, and then I got the salted caramel, or caramel, depending on how you want to say it. And this looks delicious.
I wanted just that much.
Yeah, that doesn't happen. These are 1/4 pound slices. So these are huge slices. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Can you smell it?
Oh, I can. I can smell the peanut butter. What are you doing, Mom? You're not supposed to eat it yet. I know it smells good, but we are supposed to tell the people at home what it tastes like. So I guess you can go ahead and tell them what it tastes like.
It's peanut buttery and it's creamy, but yet it has just the right texture.
So it's good, in other words.
Yes.
She just couldn't wait. It smelled so good. And I'm gonna have to join her now, so I'm gonna grab myself a little piece of the peanut buttery goodness. Oh, it's so soft. And the way that they have it set up, it comes off in these little squares. Oh my gosh, guys.
Told you it was good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What in the world is this with? Look at this one.
That is salted caramel. Deliciousness. You can see it. Hang on. Let me show you close. Okay, notice that band right in the middle there. That's the caramel. And then there's like the regular fudge. And then it has the sea salt on top. Oh my gosh. This one also smells amazing, but I will say this, the peanut butter has a little bit of an advantage in that peanut butter has a very distinct smell. This one just smells sweet. Oh, that one comes off. Look at how those just tear apart in squares. Or kind of rectangles, I guess. Oh, it's so gooey. Look at that. That looks delicious.
It does.
Okay, Mom, go for it. You get the first bite. How is it? What do you think?
Kind of got a little crunch because of salt. Chewy, of course.
I can tell it's super chewy because you're just going at it.
I know it.
But look at that.
I think that little bit of salt I like on there. It offsets that super sweet.
Gives you that salty, sweet perfection.
Yeah, and it's not too much. It's just a little bit to offset that.
Yeah, I think that this being chopped up the way that it is, we can maintain that the quarter pound was a lot to see. Like, it was just a lot. But now seeing that it comes off in little bricks, I think that that's more manageable. Now it's my turn. Here we go. Ooh. 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 Oh, delicious. Look at that. I'm definitely gonna have to wash my hands again after this though. I have such sticky fingers. And here we go. Oh my goodness. She was right about the salt though. The salt really adds like a layer to it. The caramel definitely makes it more chewy though. Oh, I'm gonna have to like mill this around in my mouth for a minute. But oh my gosh, so good. Definitely worth getting both of those though because they have such a contrast. Okay, Mom, we each had a bite of both of them.
Yes.
And that's a perfect snack, don't you think?
I think so. Now I just have to close this box up and save for later.
We're gonna be taking this with us to our hotel so that we can have a little snacky poo later on in the day. But I did want to share this with you guys because it is a great stop here in Eureka. It's Two Dumb Dames. And I definitely recommend it. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe, and then also check out my food category. I have tons of different places that you can go at all of the different places that we adventure together. And this is definitely one that makes the list. Till next time, guys.